So, a very good evening, my dear friends. So, a very good news that SIDBI has finally announced the results of its Grade A and Grade B, right? Phase 1 results, right? The exam for which is scheduled on upcoming 19th, right? Upcoming 19th of January. And it is confirmed that they will be conducting the examination on 19th of January only. So, you can go through the SIDBI website and you can just watch out for the Grade A and Grade B result. And students have been waiting for this because exam has been scheduled on 19th of January, and those students who have given a little bit also efforts for the examination, they have qualified it, because very limited number of students have applied. So those who have just given the examination and have applied a little bit efforts also, they have got selected for the examination. Now it's time for the final battle, my dear friends. The phase 2 will not be that much easy, because the many aspirants are fighting for the thing, many students are preparing for the thing. So it's high time that for this upcoming 12 days, today is 7th of January and 19th of January, you will be having your mains examination. So you don't have that much amount of time, and you have to take each day very seriously. After phase 1 also, we have been conducting regularly the classes for the phase 2. We have done the merchant banking, we have done investment banking. Tomorrow is class for alternative investment fund, then we will be going for the ARCs. The full length tests are already running in our website, right? So try to be regular on these classes, try to be regular on this test, right? Then only you will perform better in the phase 2 of the examination. So go and check out your result in the official website of SIDBI. I will be giving you the link in the description box also. Just go and check out it. If you're to the phase 2, right? If you're to the phase 2 of the examination, just you have to prepare three papers. The English will be of 75 marks, which you have to solve in 75 minutes. Phase 2 objective questions, they will be asking you of 75 minutes, that you have to solve in 60 minutes. And descriptive, 50 marks in 70 minutes. See, objective and subjective, they will be asking from stream specific paper. For the generalist, it will be same as what you have studied for the phase 1, only they have added certain few papers of investment banking, merchant banking, ARCs, etc. They have added. That is not very tough. These topics are very big. These topics are very big and vast, but you have to do a selective study for merchant banking. You have to do selective study for your investment banking, and you have to do selective study for the alternate investment funds. You cannot read everything about this. These are very vast topics. So you have to be very much cautious. You have to read what is required for the examination. So they will be asking you 2 marker and 1 marker question, the paragraph based, as they ask in NABARD and RBI in objective. So you have to prepare this. You have to prepare the subjective questions of 15 marker and 10 marker. There will be two 15-marker question, 30 marks, and two 10-marker question, that will be of 20 marks. So 30 plus 20, it will be about 50 marks. So 50 marks you have to prepare for the subjective paper. You have to write online. We are providing that in our portal. You can type in our portal online. There will be word content and there will be evaluation for our side. From our side, you will be getting the paragraph based question, both 2 mark and 1 mark in our website as full length test, and also you'll be making in full length test the English test. So in our SIDBI program, if you want to enroll, if you want to take benefit for the phase 2, you can enroll the program at just rupees 1500. You'll be getting complete printable notes with the video classes, the English descriptive test, the objective 2 marker and 1 marker test, the stream specific descriptive test at the evaluation, and full length test also you'll be getting in this program. So it's a complete package with classes, notes, and tests. Just take the advantage for this upcoming 12 days. You cannot study everything. One thing remember, the best strategy for this is you cannot study everything. You have to do the most important things. You have to keep on typing the answers. You have to keep on practicing the answers. That will only give the desired results. Do not think that I will do everything. It's not possible in 12 days. Do selective study, which is most important. Give test, right? Daily practice on the portal, that will only give you the success. Let's right, in the coming days we'll coming with more such strategies, the exact strategies that will help you to prepare for the examination. For today, enjoy the phase 1 result and start preparing for your phase 2. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.